Ijaz says his prayers every day at the mosque and then he goes to church. He's helping to build a place of worship for his Christian neighbors and hoping they can live together in peace. A big dream in Pakistan where religious minorities are often under attack.
After local riots, we are trying to bring people together even more. We have increased our activities so we don't have to face something like that. By building this church, we want to show that we are united as a community.
Faryal Masih is a Christian. He does not share the same faith as Ijaz, but they share a childhood friendship that is beyond religion. Unlike in other parts of Pakistan, there is no segregated housing for Christian residents in this village. They live side by side with their Muslim neighbors.
Since my childhood, we have all lived together in this one place. We live with love, attend each other's weddings and festivals. We are together in times of happiness and grief. I pray that we never have to go through what happened in Gojra ever.
This village is a stone's throw from Gojra, where in 2009 religious mobs attacked the Christian community. 10 people were killed, their churches and houses torched and reduced to ashes. These people have not forgotten the violence of the past, but they are determined to prove that communal violence can be defeated by individual acts of love.
This church being built in a small village by the Muslims, it is very significant. It shows that people have love in their hearts, they want to stay together. If there are those that fuel the fire, there are also those to douse the flames.
Although scarred by the memories of the Gojra mob attacks, these people have not lost hope. They're not just building a church together, they're building hope for interfaith harmony and the hope that if they can make it happen where they live, one day it can be implemented everywhere in Pakistan. Sabayat Azaz, BBC News, Gojra.